Let us read about facts about dietary sodium. Although the major source of sodium in the average diet is salt, many types of natural foods contain varying amounts of sodium. Even if no salt is added in cooking and if salty foods are avoided, the daily diet may still contain between 1000 to 2000 milligram of sodium. Additives in food. Added food substances, additives such as sodium alignate, which improves food texture, sodium benzoate, which acts as preservative, and disodium phosphate, which improves cooking quality in certain foods, increase the sodium intake when included in the daily diet. Therefore, patients on low sodium diets should be advised to check labels carefully for such words as salt or sodium, especially on canned foods. For example, without looking at the sodium content per serving found on the nutrition labels, when given a choice between a serving of salt and vinegar, potato chips, and a cup of canned cream of mushroom soup, most would think that soup is lower in sodium. However, when the labels are examined, the lower sodium choice is found to be in the chips, although potato chips are not recommended in a low sodium diet. This example illustrates that it is important to read food labels to determine both sodium content and serving size. Non-food sodium sources. Sodium is also contained in toothpaste and municipal water. Patients on sodium restricted diets should be cautioned against using non-prescription medications such as antacids, cough syrups, laxatives, sedatives, or salt substitutes because these products contain sodium or excessive amounts of potassium. Over-the-counter medications should not be used without first consulting the physician. Promoting dietary adherence. If patients find food unpalatable because of the dietary sodium restrictions and or the taste disturbances caused by the medications, they may refuse to eat or to comply with the dietary regime. For this reason, severe sodium restrictions should be avoided and the amount of medication should be balanced with the patient's ability to restrict dietary sodium. A variety of flavorings such as lemon juice, vinegar, and herbs may be used to improve the taste of the food and increase acceptance of the diet. The patient's food preferences should be taken into account. Diet counseling and educational handouts can be created to individual and ethnic preferences. It is very important to involve the family in the dietary teaching. Thank you.